What's up, guys? This is Romel, and I'm from the Philippines, and I just want to share you my ride, my Kawasaki Versys 300X 2017, an old one. Already ran around 60,000 kilometers, and I just want to share you my setup. And I'm gonna use this bike this week. I'm going to Mindanao, that's south of the Philippines, and I'm gonna travel around 4 to 5,000 kilometers. And I just want to share you my upgrades and accessories in this bike. So let's go see my bike. So if you can see, this is my bike, pretty old one. So this is the first generation ones, 2017, the first time the Kawasaki Versys X came out. And I think it's pretty decent bike. For me, this is the best bike I have. This is the only one I everyday use. Every and Pretty much put a lot of accessories in it, on it. See that accessories, and let's check my accessories out. Let's start with the first with the luggage. So the bike has full of luggage. I have this Extreme tank bag. Okay, and I have this 25 liter. The only problem is when I turn left, it's it kind of like prevents it a little. But it's okay. I don't use that much turning too much. Okay, so it's just okay. I have already. I also have this SW Motec bag, tail bag. It's waterproof. And I have this GV Alaska. I think this Alaska side panniers. It's a 30-liter one. And I have this local brand top box sec. It's plastic, it's not alloy, unlike this one. So this one's light. It claims to be 40 liters, but I think this is more like 30 liters. Okay, so enough with the luggage compartments. Let's go with the engine itself. So I don't have any modifications on the engine, but I changed the air filter of this one to DNA air filters. So pretty much it has a better throttle response, because I have this very old Tadao SP Tadao headers. So it is a bigger headers and different one than the stock one. The stock one goes curve before it comes back and straight. This one is straight one, deletes the catalytic also. So pretty much the bike is very responsive, and it's not that the power is not being held by the catalytic converter. But I still have the stock muffler. This headers is designed for stock mufflers. So pretty much it's still quiet. It's not like loud. Unlike if you put an aftermarket exhaust, this one's pretty much a very quiet bike. And I put also install this. If you can see, I installed this air cooler. I don't think you need an air cooler, oil cooler, but I can just install it. So I put one, and I have this also fancy washable oil filter. If you can see that, I forgot the brand of that one, but it has a magnetic oil filter in it. So pretty much it gets the clutch debris. I also put some breathers in the oil slot, oil cap. So pretty much the engine is nice. It's very responsive than before, because it's before with stock. So it's pretty good response engine, and it's not that restricted, I think. So let's go with the accessories. Like I have this crash guards. This is SW Motec crash guards, and I just have this added in for the lights. And I also bought this splash guard. splash guard for the bike. And yes, if you can see, the bike is really rusty. This is a everyday use bike. This is a warrior bike. So I have the GV bracket, but I have this one customized. This one's customized. And let's go with the suspension. Suspension, I have this, the YSS suspension, the emulated one. And for the rear one, I also have the YSS suspension for the rear. So pretty much the suspension is upgraded, but I changed the front dampers. I forgot. I got the CB500 front dampers. So this one has an additional 1-inch extra play than the stock. So this is 6, and the rear has 5.8. And let's go next to the lights. I have these lights. This 100 watt light. It's a local brand here, Mototech. What is this? China. This one 60 watt auxiliary lights, and also have turn lights just in case. All has separate buttons. So I graded the shifter. I have this aluminum shifter. This is Kitako. You can see this Kitako shifter, and I have this wide pegs also. These wide pegs, and I have this wide side stand that is weird. Look at that. I have to change this. I have the best. I bought I think the most decent sprocket, chain sprocket. This is the DID ZM. I forgot. That is the most expensive one. For this, I think. So doesn't stretch that much. This one already have like 10,000 kilometers on it. It's pretty dirty. Everyday bike. Okay, this is everyday bike. So my bike, you see that? That's all rusted up. Oh, this is my port for the oil cooler. Okay, what else? As you can see, that's my throttle body. Yes, for the tires, I have the tires. I have this Mitas. I have the Mitas 100 by 90 by 19 E07. See that? This is the E07 Mitas. Dual sport tires. It's not really my first choice, but tires here in the Philippines are, with this kind of specs, is hard to find. I would like to have like a more 50-50 or 80-20, but it's not available. The only thing available is Metzeler 11080, and it affects greatly the handling of the bike. It wants to lean more, or it uses up the rear tire. If you have like 11080 at the front and 130 at the back, it pretty much the bike wants to lean, and then I don't like that. So I still have the stock size at the back. So I have the 130/80 by 17 Dunlop mixture, the first one. This is the first one, the first Dunlop mixture. I like the thread, dual sport. Yeah, mixed Trail Max. I'm sorry about that. It's this Trail Max. Trail Max, not Trail Max only, not the mixture. So it has a good thread pattern on it. It's not the same. The front and rear is not the same, but it will take me places though. Okay, I already talked about the splash guard. Keeps my boots dry, but the upper part of my trousers still wet. So pretty much it will be better if it's like a bit higher, I think, up to here. If it was like something here, it will keep me dry. So pretty much, what else? Oh, I have this very old police sport handguards. This is still good. Look, has a lot of battle scars, but it's still okay. I have this Chinese Moto Wolf bar and risers also. So 2 inches, I think this is 2 inches going through me, closer to me. So pretty much that's it, except for this. I still have the stock windshield, and I have the Kitako charger. I have this voltmeter, the Daytona voltmeter. This is Type C, USB Type C. This is USB to USB 2.4 and 5.0, and I have the quad lock stock windshield, but I have this Chinese imitation of a GV windshield extension. I have this fancy Chinese clutch levers. Okay, and this one is for my camera. Insta360. And I have another one which I use the DJI Action 2 for short clips. So pretty much that's my bike. You can see, not really good looking one, but it is a survivor. Yeah, if you can see, these different signal lights. I have this Z125 signal lights. So pretty much it's much reliable than the stock ones that keeps breaking. And yeah, my brakes is I already upgraded the brakes to braided ones. These braided ones, and my brake pad is still, I don't know, barely used. But my front one I have to change already, I think. Yeah, pretty much I have to change the front one. It's really used up. I have to change the front one when I get home. Before I travel, I have to change it because it's almost toast. Okay. Also, I'm not sure if I have to change this. I think it's still okay. I just think. Okay. So that's it. This is my bike. So I'm Romel. I'm from the Philippines, and just sharing my bike to you. And I really love this bike. I think this is my one of the favorite, and I think this is one I'm gonna keep. It's not very reliable. I got this used. So when I got this, it already has 20,000 kilometers, and I put another 40 a couple of years ago. So I really like this bike, and it's fun. It's a fun bike. So pretty much that's it. I'll see you around. I'll keep you updated with my trip. I hope you follow me, and I could bring you to my trip going to Mindanao using my favorite bike. This is actually my dream bike. I'm lucky enough to drive my dream bike. And I saw this like 7 years ago. I said, I'm gonna get one of these. And when I got it, and bikes here in the Philippines is okay, but it's still not cheap. For me, this is my dream bike. I don't like well, I don't have money to buy good bikes like a good adventure bike, but this one, I think I can live with this one. Very reliable, and very comfortable to ride, and very hands-on. This has no ABS, no power setting. This is all controlled by me. So pretty much I'm driving a motorbike. No, not enough, not just bare computers in it for the fuel injection. But other than that, I'm the one who's driving the bike, not this fancy other bikes now with a lot of assist, like traction control. Yeah, ABS is okay, but get suspension and stuff like that. Yeah, that is nice. Make your life riding your bike comfortable. But so what's the point? Just if you want every road feel like a normal road, and I think that's not riding. So this is the way. This is my dream bike, and I'm lucky enough to ride my dream bike. So thank you guys. I hope you if you reached the end of this video. Hope you would subscribe, and if you could click the like button to help me with my algorithm, that would be a big thank you to you. So I'll see you around, and come join with me on my tour, my ride going to Mindanao, and I'll bring you with me experience. Okay, see you guys, bye bye.